Welcome to JH. FentiCoin.com presents itself as a safe and intuitive cryptocurrency exchange, offering access to over 200 digital assets and features designed for both novices and experts. While it appears promising initially, the real question is whether the platform is legitimate or just another fraudulent scheme. Several warning signs emerge once you look closer. For instance, they boast a global user base of over 3 million people, yet their Trustpilot profile is filled with overwhelmingly negative feedback. Users have reported significant financial losses. One individual mentioned losing $70 through a promoter on TikTok, while another stated that a $30 Bitcoin deposit never appeared in their account. Furthermore, customer service seems to completely disregard user inquiries, leading many to doubt if withdrawing funds is even possible. There are also major inconsistencies regarding their website's history. Although they claim the company started in 2021, records show the domain was only registered in May 2025. This discrepancy is a massive red flag, suggesting they are being dishonest about their longevity. The site features links to supposed press releases, but these links are non-functional and lead nowhere. No actual news articles exist, indicating these were added solely to create a false sense of authority. Their contact details are equally suspicious, listing various addresses and phone numbers that appear to be copied directly from other internet sources. This lack of transparency does little to build confidence. Finally, consider their leadership team. They list names like Sarah Johnson, Alex Chin, Michael Rodriguez, and Lisa Patel, yet there are no photographs or LinkedIn profiles to verify their identities. There is no evidence these individuals actually exist, and the names could easily be fabricated. When you combine the false claims about their history, the fake press coverage, the questionable contact info, and the unverified team, the platform looks highly untrustworthy.